How to solve common problems with customer review widgets. Follow the instructions. Use lightweight scripts to reduce loading times. Ensure the widget design matches your site's branding. Filter out fake or spam reviews with verification tools. Optimize for mobile devices to improve user experience. Encourage customers to leave more reviews. Prioritize recent reviews over older ones. Use a CDN for faster global delivery. Regularly audit and remove irrelevant reviews. Ensure the widget complies with data privacy laws. Automate review requests to increase volume. Use AI to sort and highlight the most helpful reviews. Test across multiple devices for consistency. Thank you for watching.